delicious fried pieces of chicken in a sweet soy, garlic, ginger and bourbon sauce, an American food court favourite that we absolutely love to make at home, and it's ready in less than 25 minutes. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now, we're not long back from a trip to the US where we really enjoyed the bourbon chicken at the food court when we were out shopping, and it's one that we knew we had to recreate for you guys at home. So let's get cooking. We're going to start with the bourbon sauce. To a bowl, add 2 tablespoons each of light soy sauce and dark soy sauce, plus a tablespoon of cornflour or cornstarch in the US, and then mix it together to combine. Now add in 180 ml, which is about 3/4 of a cup of chicken stock, and 4 tablespoons of bourbon whiskey. Now, I know this one is actually classed as a Tennessee whiskey, but it's Chris's favourite and I actually like it better too. Finally, we'll add in 5 tablespoons of light brown sugar. Give it a stir together and then put to one side. Now I've got 750 grams, which is a little over 1.5 pounds of skinless, boneless chicken thighs here that have been trimmed. I'm going to sprinkle over 2 tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Toss that all together with your hands to thoroughly coat the chicken. Now heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a large frying pan over a medium to high heat. Once that oil's hot, add the chicken to the pan and cook for about 8 to 12 minutes, turning a few times during cooking until golden brown and cooked through. Now this bit does tend to get a little bit splattery, so I'm going to use a splatter guard. Once that chicken's lovely and golden, we're going to add 3 cloves of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger to the pan. Fry for a further 30 seconds, stirring constantly. Now pour in that sauce we made earlier and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring often until the chicken is coated and that sauce thickens. Now I like to slice my chicken into little tiny pieces and then put it back in the sauce, but if you want to, you can leave this as whole fillets. It's totally up to you. Now place that chopped chicken back in the pan and stir it all together, and we're ready to serve. I like to serve this delicious bourbon chicken over egg fried rice, topped with spring onions and sesame seeds. I love that sticky, sweet flavour with the slight hint of bourbon. And if you love this, I just know you're going to absolutely love my honey garlic chicken too. See you next time.